Welcome you all to the code world. So in this video we are going to see how to make a M pattern in Python. So let's start with our code. So you can see our M pattern will look like this. So it contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 rows. Just okay. Total 7 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means total 7 rows and 7 columns. So let's start. What we will do, we will make a zeroth means first row column with full asterisk and last column with the full asterisk, and then one by one we will start printing these. Means if our point is on a first sorry this is okay, if our cursor point is in first row, this is zeroth row. Okay, this is our first row. Okay, so its cursor is zero first row and first column, then print one star. If our cursor is or pointer is at the address of 0 the second column and second row, then print the star. Okay, and like this we will go step by step. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, for first loop, for row in range of 7. Okay, then second for call in a range of second. Okay, then our condition start here. So if our column equals to 0, this is our first zeroth column, this full straight line. Okay, this one, this. Okay, if our column is 0 or column equals to 6. 6 means this last column, this one, this stars. Okay, then print asterisk or star or and condition. Our this line and this line is got printed. This this line got printed, and now we are going to print these stars, these 6 stars. Okay, so or if I or row equals to 1 and a column equals to 1, then print 1 star. Or if a column equals to 2 and row equals to 2, then print 1 star. Okay, and also or row equals to 3 and column equals to 3, then print 1 star. Okay, till here it is our third row. Okay, now in reverse order, now we have printed this and these 2 stars by using these columns. Okay, now we are going to for this one. Okay, so again, or row equals to 2 and column equals to 4, then print star. Or row equals to 1 and column equals to 5, then print 1 star. Okay, if this condition is true, then print asterisk and we are using and because we want to print in the same line. Okay, if this condition is true, then else print space in a one line. Okay, and at last just print it for a new. Okay, let's try by just running it. Let's see what is the output. Okay, so we are messing with our m. So I think this much part I have done clean, right? Okay, this much part you can see my cursor. So if somehow we are missing with yours. Okay, let's see our code. If our column is 0 or column is 6, then print full string, perfect. Or otherwise, if a row is 1, this is our first row and first column. This is this star, okay, this one star. And if our column is second and row is second, then this star. If our column is third and row is third, then this star. If our row is second and column is fourth, okay, then this star. If our column, if row is first and column is fifth, then this star. Okay, I think this I have done mistake. Here I have put it the space. Okay, let's start with the fresh terminal. Yeah, but you can see perfectly we are getting a M pattern. Yeah, okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So in the next video, we are going to see a next pattern. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thanks.